guys, dito kami sa stopover. Ito yung bus namin. Yan yung bus guys. On the way to Paris. Ay! Right guys, picnic muna kami oh. Picnic muna bago biyahe ulit. Thank you, Warren.
Hala! Naupos!
Yun na. Pagbalik mo, balik na tayo sa loob.
Jump, it.
Something. Grab some chips. You have boiled egg. You want boiled egg? Boiled egg.
I have boiled egg also.
You said cancel eh.
Accepted, sir. But I do promise, they don't cancel oil eh. They keep calling me.
Alright, balik na tayo.
Buti ikaw lang nakita ko sa akin.
I must leave, or else I will not be able to enjoy this.
Yeah.
Just one shot.
Solve, thank you.
Solve,
Love
solve.
you.
Love you too.
Hindi ko na-expect na may sandwich ka talaga.
Yung tower guys. Alright. Okay guys, dito na kami sa Paris. So, ito yung group ng tour namin. So, kanya-kanya kaming pupunta sa mga places. Like yung tower, yung church. Alright, pupunta na kami. So, maghahanap kami ng transpo. It's either scooter or taxi. Lalakad na kami guys. Guys, oh, ang ganda. Wow. So, papunta kami ngayon sa tower. Ayan, ayun na yung Eiffel Tower. Medyo malayo pa. Ito yung pestuhan. Yun, walking trip. Walking trip. Walking trip here in France. Okay guys, so nakahanap kami ng bike nila Sir Leo. Ayun. Babike kami. So 0.30 pounds per minute. Pupunta lang naman kami sa isang
Shall we
place.
go with the 4 pounds for 30 minutes? Better, no? Ha?
30 minutes?
30 minutes for pound soup.
Oo. Let's go?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do it. Okay. I already...
Ito na yung bike ko. Guys, ito na. Bike. Magbabike na kami. Oy, Raj! Shh, red light! Ha? Oh. Hey, let's go!
Say hi!
Yeah! Okay guys, nag-Starbucks po si Warren. Hinintay namin dito. Ayun, nakaparada kami. Yan. Biking in Paris. Oy, car coming, car. Oh, camera. Woohoo! Ha? Let's go. Oh, sir, camera. All right. Yes, sir. Okay guys, nakapark na kami. So, in-end namin yung ride.
Oh, we go there.
Yan.
As what it said, cannot park it.
Guys, dito na kami sa tower. Okay guys, ito na yung tower. Uy. Ganda. Yan siya.
दिख रहा है लाल किला दिख रहा है.
Alright guys. Tapos na tayo sa Eiffel Tower. Naman tayo sa next destination.
Yeah, first Easter.
Siguro maglalakad na lang kami. Tagal mag-park ng bike eh. Okay guys, this is Tuk-Tuk in France.
Tuk-tuk in Paris.
Tuk-Tuk in
Tuk-tuk
France.
in France and tuk-tuk in
Tuk in Paris, France.
Puk-puk. Tuk-tuk and puk-puk. Puk-puk. Sabi mo kayo, oh, okay. That's what I told you.
Alright guys. So,
But here,
anong tawag dito, sir? Ano sa tawag dito, pre?
this is main river. After we back across the street, that's
John Wick.
behind you. Us on to watch.
Okay
Whatever
guys,
we can see.
tapos na kami sa pangalawang location. Going to the third na kami.
Let's focus on the watch, man.
Alright.
Take photograph.
Ingay nitong isa, oh.
Man, this one we cannot get.
Salita ng salita. Oh.
I bought something before. I bought my wallet.
How much?
500. No?
Go Paris.
Today? No, 2011. 2011.
Very nice picture, oh.
Paris, France.
14 years ago?
Yeah?
Are you telling me I'm old? No. You are beautiful.
Beautiful, no?
This is the museum.
Maximize it. Let's go. Let's go down.
Let's go. Yes, sir.
Diba, hawak to ng phone eh.
Alright, third destination.
From the middle, you can take this side, this side.
Okay,
I go back with my car. For you can take picture, okay?
okay.
That's
Okay, fourth one.
Museum. Lourdes,
Mona Lisa in front of me. Why fucking I find there?
Oh, Mona Lisa. It's
Mona
inside
Lisa.
of-
Putang ina, why these fuckers are always mad, no? why you talk calmly?
Much coffee eh.
Already.
We already there.
We have that spot here earlier because we walk from the bus going to the Eiffel Tower.
And you-
This one is very big.
Yeah.
Not only
Yeah.
Now
walking,
let's
no?
go to Museum of Napoleon, Museum of Army.
Okay.
Doon pa tayo galing kanina, no?
How much you have a euro? I don't know. Let us balance. Yeah. Let's go, guys.
Okay guys, fourth place. Welcome to Paris!
You're welcome, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
And now I go French Parliament and
Next guys is French Parliament and Mona Lisa. Alright, nice.
Yag na kita sa...
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Yeah, do you remember when we are in a Palermo? Bonjour, no? Bonjour. Every shop when we go, it's a bonjour, no?
Jeff.
This is the French Parliament.
It's the French Parliament guys.
Okay, here is the French Parliament.
have one statue, you see with the golden.
Rome also we have the same.
Egyptian Parliament.
Make it, 0.5. It's 0.5 already.
Tower, you see it?
Yeah.
This is Notre Dame. With the fire, like 5 years ago, it's fire. Left it's Louvre, but let's go to Louvre. And at the end, hello girl.
Bonjour.
Comment ça va?
Now let's go inside to Louvre Museum for take picture.
Where is that?
Hindi na ko na. Hindi pa lupa.
All the building.
This is the Museum of Orsay.
Yung driver namin salita ng salita kung saan lugar pero hindi namin alam kung ano yun.
Matindi, matindi.
Museum of Orsay. Other side it's Museum of the Louvre. But Louvre, I go inside for picture.
Yeah, the pyramid, the glass one. The Louvre. Oh, there's another, what's this?
Here,
Alright.
you can buy souvenir, I show you now. You
Oh,
can take picture.
Oh, that's a...
I love you, man!
Woohoo!
This is the place where you want to come. That's it. My job is over.
Guys, sell
The pyramid.
Yeah, mission
but
complete.
make all discount when you tell you price. Yes, sir. Look.
Okay guys, dito na kami sa pyramid. The famous. Okay guys, the pyramid. Alright guys, picture. Ito na yung last guys. Ganda oh. This is Paris. Galing. Yung sasakyan namin guys oh. Ang bait ni kuya.
Pogi. Up there, maganda. Right?
Ako lang to.
You see, baklan to. Fucking he is telling your own self. So where we're going now? Going back.
Go back.
Bus stop.
Almost done. Yeah,
There's here in our bus.
no, there is no.
Yeah.
No, but,
No
but let's
There's
just
toilet
get closer
there.
to the bus. Maybe.
In the bus?
There is.
It's anyway. It's already 2:21.
Going back. Sleep in the bus.
If we could find something to eat somewhere around, no?
Oh.
We can walk whole day, whole night, no problem. Just within the area.
Thank you, Sami.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much.
And this is for you.
Thank you.
Whatever
Enjoy
we have,
Paris.
thank you so much.
very much. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
To you, sir. Bye-bye. You enjoy Paris.
We enjoy our trip because of you.
Sam, man.
Thank you.
Take a picture.
Bye-bye.
Take a
Thank
picture
you.
with the Sam. And we will, once
Thank
you
you
will
for
come.
your smile.
Thank you, Sam.
And you have good picture. I take you
Thank
good
you.
picture.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bait ni Kuya. Kain na tayo. May sa... Okay guys, kain muna. Makan.
Why this fucking kitchen guy is not making like this man adobo?
Oh, that's your paisato.
No Indian guy is cooking food. No. Even Indian food cooking kaya international or Filipino. The one in the promise now is the Indonesian chef that was in the Grandes that I requested to kick out. He was very disrespectful. Where he from? No. Because when I was there together with Parn is only asking where's the ticket, and he insulted Parn by saying, "Why you don't know hotel director?" something like that. So I was so pissed off. I called right away BM. I said, BM, would it be possible to deal with this chef because he's very disrespectful. After that cruise, he's gone.
Lola goodbye.
If you have any issue right now, the executive is in our hand. Because first, he is a very good friend of BM, and he is very good friend of mine too. If I ask chef, I need this one. Do you know in the evening we have a sambal? Why? Because I asked.
Also, Mang Tomas before we don't have.
I asked in the evening, chef, we need a sambal in the night. Our next garden is with us here. There. Garden side. They will probably say, they will say, oh, this people is fucking disgusting.
Maybe they wanna join. Look like they are so happy.
Are you gonna throw this disposable or no? Me? I will gonna bring it back.
What's your one?
Later. Oh, salo mo na habang ano.
Hindi, marami pa to. No pressure.
Kaya hindi naka-under tong fountain eh. We can use this fountain if it's working, no? Quick. Later.
Oh, sanitizer. Let's go to the top. Wala parahan sa adobo.
Now, you can drink, but little by little you can
Yep. Do you have napkin?
Sir.
Napkin? No napkin first. Do you have napkin?
no more. No more.
Oh.
I know, make tinapay. Eat the tinapay. Hindi. Gawin mo na. Pangalawa, ilalim akin.
Eat that one and then
Pangalawa yung nasa ilalim sa'yo.
I
Yung
will.
akin to.
I will
Yung ito sa'yo. Nasa ilalim, yung ginit na rin sa'yo.
dito sa midam.
Nasa ilalim.
Puta, lamig na tubig eh. Okay to. Talagang ano lang, malangis oh.
Tapos tissue, tapos sanitizer.
Oh, water.
Me.
And then we have one more
Ano na lang?
Well, I have water.
Water.
We have one more stop, so we can use this.
Everything is provided. Thank you.
Warren, I love you.
Love you too. That's for later, no? But we need to find the...
Now, the next thing we need to do is
Don't throw this,
to
ah.
find the garbage.
We need to find the... What do you call this one? Garbage bin.
I have one bottle of water.
Oh! Puta!
I still have open bottle water at the bus.
Me also eh.
The one that you gave me.
The knitting guys.
And we have a snack too.
I have still snack cabinet.
Very fast, we only eat 10 minutes.
Naangot pa yun.
Alright.
Ano chocolate kayo ito eh?
Oh, dessert, dessert.
Oh, that's expired. Fucking hard expired. Yeah.
Alright guys, tapos na kaming kumain. Pabalik na kami sa bus. Yan. Diyan nakapark yung mga bus namin. Pahinga na. 2 hours going to the ship.